everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little unboxing. I have a cute little package here that just arrived in the mail. I've just got this on top to cover up my address. So this beautiful little box was sent to me by the Turtle Journal. It's a box of journaling, scrappy, stationery supplies. I don't know what's in here yet, so surprise. It was gifted to me, so I'll just let you know that straight off the bat. I'm not getting any payment to do this video. I actually haven't looked at any of the stuff yet, so my opinion is 100% my own and genuine, not being paid for. Also, any links I provide are not affiliate links. I don't get any money for you clicking those links. They're just there for you to go and find the products. So I will leave a link to the shop in the description box below. They have some really beautiful things on their site, so if you're interested in bullet journaling or smash booking or memory keeping or anything like that, then definitely head over and check them out. They are Australian, which I love, of course. So without further ado, let's get into the box. Okay, I have just gone through and taken out some of the paper and untied the string around the papers. So we will just go through this together. So let's see. First thing on the top, we have this washi, which is unusual. I've never seen washi like this with these people. So very vintage feeling. See if I can get my camera to focus. There we go. I think that's focused. We have all these couples in their different cozy clothes. Really cute. Nice and neutral. Really sweet, cute washi. About 2 centimeters thick, I'm going to say. So it is a wide washi. Alright, then we have some really beautiful tags. Very vintage feeling. Love those colors. Very, very pretty colors. Some vases and some butterflies. Just white on the back. Very pretty. I love tags. Then we have this little envelope of things. Just zoom in so we can have this on the desk. So first is this little wooden peg. I actually love these. I use them a lot to hang things up around my house in various places. We have a little die cut here. I think she might be on sticker paper. Feels like she might be on sticker paper, but yeah, she definitely seems to be on sticker paper. So this lovely girl with her sweater and her jeans, actually a lot like what I wear, pretty much my uniform in the winter. Then we have some craft cardstock wrapped around all these little bits and pieces, some lovely goodies. So let's see what we have here. There are lots of bits in here. So we have a really lovely little, I'm not sure what this fabric is. It's like a washed fiber, almost like a rice paper. If you know what fabric this is, let me know, but these are really cool to use in journaling as well. Okay, then what have we got? A bit of graph paper with a couple of stamps attached, so they're just kind of attached a little bit temporarily with a bit of tape. 25-cent USA stamps. Lots of kind of vintage bits and pieces in this box, which I really like. We have these little tags which have, I'm actually not sure what these plants are. That looks like it might be chamomile. Not sure what this one is. Walnut? I'll have to look that up. I'm actually interested. Okay, and then we have a little ticket, bit of foil, really cute, and then a sweet little wood veneer with a bird cage and some birds inside. Just going to pop those back in the bag. All right, then we have another pretty foiled die cut. And we have a few small vintagey papers. So I think some of these are printed, so somewhat recently, and some of them are kind of recycled vintage, actual vintage pieces. So let's see what we have. We have this little skeleton human man, or woman, I suppose. I really like that. Then we have a baleen whale. Not up on my whale species, but again, skeleton. Then we have this really pretty strawberry print paper. It's actually on a pearly finish paper, really pretty. And again, is this, yes, so this is pearly and it is like a hibiscus flower, very pretty. Then we have some, are these stickers? They are stickers. So some really pretty stickers for your planner or for your documenting, if you like. So we have coffee break and baking and dinner, date, brunch, things like that. Really sweet. I like this style of sticker. And then this looks like a bit of a vintage sheet music. So there's actually some little pencil notations here from the previous owner, so I really like that. So there's that little packet, so let's put that all away. All right, and then we have some larger papers here. So these were tied with a little bit of string, so I'm going to keep that as well because I can always use that. Then we have this large piece of just blank musical stuff with the perforated edge. I really like that. All right, then we just seem to have an assortment of vintage book pages. So this is a part of the RACQ, before it was RACQ. Yeah, this is really cool. A bit of map on the back, oh lovely. It's going to be fun for journaling. Then this just looks like a bit of scrapbooking paper. Then we have some photos, vintage photo from, I think it's from a textbook actually, or a magazine. Then we have a vintage book page and some more magazine pictures. It's kind of like it's like a satin finish, so it's not newspaper paper, but it's not like glossy magazine paper like we have now. So just pictures of a palace somewhere. Then again, some more vintage newspaper pieces. I just want to read all of this. I love this stuff. All right, and then we have a piece of a recipe book, which, you know, looking at it, I think it might be like the Edmonds cookbook. I actually have one. They're all sent in from different people, but they're just really short, to the point recipes, like they used to be once upon a time. Yeah, I love this. I love the pen marks from someone who's actually used it. And I am probably going to try out a bunch of these recipes. I really like the idea of this, these golden macaroons. And raspberry crunch fingers sound good. Yeah, so I love all this kind of thing. I love antique shops and history. Oh, really pretty, again, magazine page, a country scene, a mountain. Wow, this is beautiful. Then we have a coloured vintage magazine page by the looks of it. So orange on this side and then pink on that side. A little piece of, oh, this is about stamps, really pretty. Then we have some pieces of what looks like instructions, furniture building instructions. Nice big page there. Lovely. Some more sheet music. There, and this is a pretty page. And some more vintage book pages. Oh, you know, I had books like this when I was a kid. Oh my gosh, that takes me back. Yeah, and then bedtime stories, look at that. Oh, so beautiful. I love all of that. I'm very, very happy to have that. Right, so that is all of it. So much to play with and get creative with there. I am very excited to start working on a project with this. I'm not sure what I want to do. I started prepping this little notebook to turn into an altered book mini album, and I feel like the vibe could work quite nicely. I mean, it's very bright, but it's got that kind of vintage feel. So that might be something that I could have fun with, because I really want to have a go at the kind of bullet journaling, junk journaling thing, but I've never gotten around to it. But this is going to give me a really good start. Lots of beautiful papers and bits and pieces to use. Very, very excited. So thank you so much to the Turtle Journal for sending this to me. You can go and have a look at what they have available through the link in the description box. I've also got a 30% off coupon code. So that is valid until the end of August this year. So I'll leave that in the description box as well. Really big chunk of a discount, so definitely go check them out if you're interested. And I will see you next time. Bye guys.